Scientists' groundbreaking find, new seed unearthed in Amazon rainforest. Please subscribe to channel. In 2020, scientists made a groundbreaking discovery in the Amazon rainforest, unearthing a new seed species that had never been documented before. This discovery was significant for several reasons. 1. Biodiversity. The Amazon rainforest is known for its incredible biodiversity, but many species within it remain undiscovered or poorly understood. Finding a new seed species highlights the rich and largely unexplored ecological diversity of the region. 2. Conservation. Discoveries like this emphasize the importance of preserving the Amazon rainforest. Deforestation and habitat destruction threaten countless species that we have yet to discover, making conservation efforts all the more crucial. 3. Scientific knowledge. Uncovering new species, even something as seemingly small as a seed, contributes to our understanding of the natural world. It can provide insights into the rainforest's ecosystem and evolution, potentially leading to advancements in fields such as botany and ecology. 4. Medicinal and economic potential. New plant species often have untapped potential for medicinal or economic uses. They may contain compounds that could lead to the development of new drugs or have valuable properties that could benefit local communities. The discovery of a new seed species in the Amazon rainforest underscores the need for continued research and conservation efforts in this vital ecosystem. It serves as a reminder of the many mysteries still hidden within this lush and diverse environment. Thanks for watching.